Welcome to
Phuket.
We are in Phuket. We just land. We heading out so good. Grab the suitcase.
Oh, look there.
No, I saw it all the time.
That's pretty.
Look, the excitement. Look.
That's a nice pickup bus. Really, really nice, and it smells so good. All the suitcases.
Rain a lot.
Every day.
Yeah, and here also.
Every day.
Yeah, every day, all day and night. Yeah. So you think it's gonna rain? We're gonna be here for the next 3 days. No more. You are our sunshine.
Yeah.
We bring the sunshine from Florida.
Pretend like you didn't know where your wife.
Okay, so we're on the second floor. And this is as you enter. We have a nice sunbed. It's beautiful. We have an outdoor tub. And actually our bathroom is like outdoor. And then we have a bellman too. Hi sir, what's your name?
Oh, I can't remember right now. I didn't start drinking yet.
And that's the room. It's a nice king size bed. The door is beautiful.
All natural wood.
They have a safety deposit box in here, which is good. They have slippers, extra linen, robes, a phone, and a mirror. Finally, a nice long mirror. And then the vanity. The toilets, at least it's private. You'll be sweating bullets. And then the shower is literally outdoor.
Yeah. So you gotta pull that
Curtain.
curtain right there on your shower.
Yeah,
Or everybody else gonna see a butt.
interesting. No, we have a tub. Yeah.
Yeah, we have one of those tubs. So this is the second room. This one comes with a pool. Same thing, shower.
Oh, they have a nice bed too.
Oh.
So the rooms are exactly the same.
Yeah, the rooms are the same though.
Yeah.
The only difference is the pool. And this one was more expensive, of course, because of the pool.
At least $100 more.
So $100 more. Not bad. This is a restaurant. So beautiful. Get outside sitting too.
So this is the indoor Sasa. That's the indoor restaurant. And there's the outdoor one. It's beautiful. Very, very beautiful. It's the bar. So cute, so charming. Hi. Really, really nice. It's actually really good. Look at this. I think the light is very. Oh yeah, sometimes.
These people didn't eat for days, so as you see, we're feeding them pizza. It's so delicious to look. Chicken pizza. Oh, the water is rough. It's pretty rough.
Yeah, the water looks rough, right?
Right from is good.
Look at Denise drink.
Wait, no. Denise, you gotta get that. It's cute, right?
It's like she's drinking
So
dog.
come, you gotta put this
This doll.
Do we need roti?
You gotta put a little of the stuff inside. Put a little of the stuff.
No, drink it on the side.
No.
No, 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 it has to go in. Wait, I want to do a little bit at a time. Because he said this one is sour and that one's sour. The hell?
And I show alcohol.
Go.
Yeah!
Wow.
It all
You mix the
spilled. We're making a magic potion in the magic place, okay? You see how dark it is?
Yeah, it's so dark and it's so scary. Look.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Okay,
Now.
look, mix it, mix it, mix it.
This is a mixologist.
Okay, let's see. Let's see how this
The
potion is.
mixologist
What
market.
is it supposed to do to me?
They look like egg.
Okay,
The
let's
yellow
see.
on the egg.
It's thick. It's so thick.
Yeah, it look like egg.
Wait, you're kidding me. They move because
Ooh,
we're making
this is
too
like
much
pure
noise.
cheers. This is like pure
Oranges.
no, mango. That's why it's so thick. Cheers. Interesting.
Is it good?
It's called mango
It's so
potion.
good.
Uh-huh.
But she has drink on that, so everything is good
It's
for her.
dessert.
Good drink.
Ooh. Very good.
I don't know about the
Yeah,
other
Mom.
stuff.
Thank you. What you doing?
Ask him his name and let him know. And what he's making.
What are you making? What? You shy? You gonna see yourself on YouTube?
He's making mojito.
Cuban mojito.
So,
You making Thailand mojito or Cuban mojito?
Thailand mojito.
Don't be shy, Cindy.
By who?
The non-nourisher.
I think she's a year older. I don't know.
Yeah, I think she's 1 year older.
no professional.
Professional
Yeah, no,
guy.
no, no,
when
no,
you
professional.
need, when you guys need a bartender,
No, you're not professional.
professional bartender.
So over here, you gotta go to school to get a license to be bartender, or you could just
No,
be
we have
bartender.
for the experience for my work.
Crap.
Oh yeah, we got it. Oh my God, look at that. Who wants to eat some fried crab?
Look how beautiful it
The
is. though.
birthday boy.
You look like the sand. You blend with the sand. Oh, flat.
Are you gonna eat it now, birthday boy?
Little bunga, no? Hindi ko bike to little bunga.
Look at the big hit. So we just came from one reserve to the next one. So that's the border guy today. So whatever he wanna do, we're gonna do today. See, he put in a rose on his thing. He's in Thailand, so he like rose on his ears.
He's a lady boy.
Yeah.
We bring him here to see lady boy.
As we said in Thailand,
What happened in Thailand, stay in Thailand.
having sex in Thailand is like eating a box of chocolate. You never know when you have nuts.
This is
Gonna
cool.
be
So you can walk on the beach with this.
That is
Like a
That's
hand,
called
like a
a-
handbag.
Singapore sling.
Singapore
It's
sling.
in a
It is actually
sling.
that is cute.
Thank you.
What you want to do?
She's like, I don't want to be on the camera.
You have bags, bags. If we want to
So we just bought a whole cooler of beer.
Plastic bags. You have plastic bags. Yeah, so give me plastic bags.
Where's the bee? There's no bee on the flower, look.
I love it.
I asked him for the bee and he started finding his hand. Look at her drink.
Singapore sleep.
That girl has
Singapore sling in Thailand. And they brought their own backyard party to Thailand. Happy birthday, Vicky!
cheers. We're drinking for the elephant sanctuary.
We supported the elephant.
Yeah, so this bear, they're gonna support the elephant. Every penny that we sell, spend, half of it go for the elephant.
Which I think is a lie.
So if you want, go to the top over there, you're gonna see.
So we walked around the beach, and then everybody's like, why are we doing this? And we have all of this in our room. So we bought a bunch of beer, and just came back to the room that has its own private pool. And yeah, just brought the New York backyard party in Thailand with a pool.
Wow, so busy.
Yeah, try
That is such a huge shawarma. Massive. I don't even think the camera can justify
No.
how big
You
it
wanna
is.
try?
Wow, so pretty. Really pretty.
English only.
I'm not from India, man. They kick backs in on top of the truck. Look at that. They're trying to get him to move. Here we got some teeny twister. Oh, so go up there for the show. That's the show that was people advertised and he's going up there. Even the rain don't stop these people. Because it was rain like crazy and everybody's still here. Partying. Look at all the lady boys.